is Lihamni Prince Season 3 and welcome to our new season of our podcast here at Spotify. Watch out for some motivation and random thoughts about love, family, friends, relationship, or kahit saan man yan. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at LihamniPrince11 and to our podcast here at Spotify. Don't forget also to listen our podcast in different podcast platforms. Episode will be available during Saturday at 8 in the evening. Only here on Spotify Podcast. Hello everyone, this is Lihamni Prince and welcome again for our Season 3 Overthink the series. So yon. And this time, I just want to say something to you. Actually, this is always takes place or give a piece for each other. Give something the word piece or peace. Yun nga. For especially sa mga overthinkers. Since nga we're on the Overthink the series. And isa to sa, alam yung magiging parang comfort, security, and support. And lalo na validation sa naramdaman nila for them. And our episode for today is what we call the reassurance. The reassurance, ayan. Siyempre, sabi ko nga doon sa last episode na yung word na reassurance na kakailanganin nila para those killing questions ay mabubuwag lahat ng yon because reassured sila na mahal ka talaga ng taong gusto ka or gusto mo. Pero some place at somehow isa tong reassurance na napakahirap, parang napakahirap kasi kalimitan nangyayari kasi sa mga iba parang paulit-ulit na reassurance ka na parang feel mo hindi ba sapat ang ginagawa ko para sa kanya. So paano ba yon? And let's put this in a simple muna na parang paano ba nangyayari, paano ba nagsisimula, although different situations pero isa din. Actually, this is the one thing na kalimitan mostly nagagawa is what we call selos. Yan. Selos yung mga partner natin, yung mga in a relationship natin, or sabihin natin i-ano muna natin yung mga walang label. Kasi sinasabi kasi nila, sabihin natin walang mga label kasi even though sinasabi na wala naman akong karapatang magselos, pero at some point gusto mo yung tao and gusto ka din ng tao. So I think you have the right to be jealous, pero bakit ba nagselos isang tao? It's because siguro na may nagawa ka na hindi okay, like at some point nag-arise yung selos, and doon na pupunta yung magbibigay ka ng reassurance na talagang mahal mo talaga siya. And you as an overthinker, syempre, you feel validated. Hala, okay, yun pala yung bagay na yun. Kaso, ang pagbigay ba sa'yo ng reassurance ay true words lang? Kasi dapat, hindi lang kasi true words dapat dapat nakikita din through actions. Kasi bigay siya ng reassurance na sa sinasabi nilang, at syempre, may mga taong okay na sinabi kasi, okay, I feel love, ganon, na-explain niya na, and gagawin niya daw itong bagay. Pero ang tanong, ginagawa niya ba? And if ginagawa niya naman talaga, dapat you as an overthinker, bukas yung isip mo. Or at some point, you really need to observe. Kahit a simple thing or pinakamaliit na bagay, kailangan mo i-consider na kasi yun na yun, malay mo yung maliit na bagay na yun pala yung thing na mahal ka talaga ng tao. Kasi at some point there are some people na hindi nila pa-caring ibigay yung buo. Pero yung some little point na reassurance ay yun na yun. Yun yung buo na yun. Hindi kasi parang boom, ayun na agad. Alam niyo yung nagigets yung point ko. Parang nakita mo na loyal sa yung tao or much more deeper meaning, much deeper word na faithful sa yung tao. Na you really know na hindi niya gagawin yung bagay na yon, hindi niya nagagawin or hindi na ikaw kakayang magselos. Although normal kasi ang magselos or normal makaramdam ng selos sa partner natin. Kasi di mo mawala yun eh. Pero let's put something in ourselves na meron bang rason para magselos ako? Or meron bang rason para mag-isip ako para sa partner ko knowing that he really loves you. He really accepts you. Hindi lang nakapag-reply, nag-overthink na agad. Malay mo na may ginagawa siyang mga simpleng bagay na somehow tayo lang sinisira natin ng sarili natin. I'm not into against sa mga overthink kasi I feel you what the way you are. Pero syempre, we need to help ourselves. We need to help the way we think. I-control natin the way we think, the way we handling things, the way we think some things. Kasi pwede kasi makasira sa atin. Sabi ko doon sa first episode natin, those killing questions can really make you down and lalo maka-apekto sa inyong relationship. At some point, pwedeng maubusan kayo at can turn into breakup na. Kaya, as I said kanina na, yes, if nakikita mo naman talaga na bibigyan ka ng reassurance ng partner mo na ito yung bagay na yon, not through words lang, but also through actions. And there is no reason to overthink. There's no reason to selos. There's no reason to think bad to your partner as long as they are faithfully sa iyo. They're loving you faithfully sa iyo at nakikita mo naman talaga na the person you really love ay tapat at totoo para sa iyo. And that's all. Yun na yun. Basta makikita kasi sa isang relationship na yung, sabi ko nga, makikita sa relationship yung tapat at totoo, faithful. Yes, it's the words of loyal kasi pwede naman kasi sabihin natin loyal pero kasi much more deeper. It's faithful sa iyo yung tao. And syempre, as a partner, kailangan nandun pa rin yung balance nyo. Balance nyo sa isa't isa na hindi pwedeng aangat ito, dapat nasa level na kahit magkasama kayo na ito yung love nyo, nagko-connect yung pagmamahalan nyo sa isa't isa. Di pwede may aangat, dapat sabay kayong dalawa. And that's it for our episode today. The reassurance. So, if you have anything that you want to put up in our episode or some thoughts that you really want to add on this episode, you can simply comment down below or can share it. So you can share with us your thoughts about this episode at if meron ka pa kayong gustong i-add up pa on our Overthink the Series. So that's it for today, for our episode today. And I hope that you are okay at this moment. And sabi ko nga, if you are not okay, and it's okay lang, laban lang, kakayanin mo yan. Laban lang. So yun, that's it for our episode today. And don't forget to follow us on our social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at LihamniPrince11. And don't forget also to follow us on our podcast at Spotify and other digital podcast platforms. So that's it for our episode. And have a good night and good day sa inyo lahat. Hello everyone, this is Lihamni Prince Season 3 and welcome to our new season of our podcast here at Spotify. Watch out for some motivation and random thoughts about love, family, friends, relationship, or kahit saan man yan. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at LihamniPrince11 and to our podcast here at Spotify. Don't forget also to listen our podcast in different podcast platforms. Episode will be available during Saturday at 8 in the evening. Only here on Spotify Podcast.